Organizing your home can be one of the most rewarding yet challenging tasks you ever take on. The process requires patience, consistency, and a thoughtful plan, but the results are worth every bit of effort. When you begin organizing your home, the first and most essential step is to assess your space and identify problem areas. Look around each room carefully and decide what feels cluttered or unnecessary. Often, we hold on to items out of habit or sentiment, but letting go of things that no longer serve a purpose can instantly make your home feel lighter and more open. Start by focusing on one area at a time, such as a closet, kitchen, or living room, and work your way through gradually. This method helps prevent overwhelm and ensures that every space receives your full attention. Once you've decluttered, the next step is to think about functionality. Every item in your home should have a designated place, making it easy to find and return after use. This simple habit can drastically reduce daily chaos and keep your environment peaceful. Storage solutions play a vital role in maintaining an organized home. Use baskets, bins, drawers, and shelves creatively to store belongings in a way that is both accessible and visually appealing. Vertical space is often underutilized, so consider adding floating shelves or tall cabinets to maximize room height. Transparent containers are excellent for items like pantry goods or office supplies because they allow you to see what's inside at a glance. Labeling is another powerful tool that keeps everything in order, especially in shared spaces where multiple people use the same areas. Think about using clear, simple labels for storage boxes, kitchen jars, or wardrobe bins to save time and reduce confusion. Beyond physical organization, it's important to develop daily habits that maintain the system you've created. Spend a few minutes each evening tidying up before bed or designating a weekend hour for resetting your home. Consistency is the secret to long-term organization. It's not about perfection but about making small, sustainable efforts every day. When your home stays organized, your mind follows. Studies show that a tidy environment reduces anxiety and boosts productivity because your brain doesn't have to process visual clutter. You'll find yourself feeling calmer, more focused, and more motivated to handle other responsibilities with clarity. An organized home also saves you money in the long run. When everything has its place, you're less likely to lose items or buy duplicates of things you already own. You also take better care of your possessions, extending their lifespan. Another essential aspect of home organization is personalization. Every family and lifestyle is unique, so design a system that works for you rather than trying to copy others exactly. If you have kids, create easy-to-reach storage for their toys or school supplies. If you work from home, ensure your workspace is clutter-free and efficiently arranged with everything you need within arm's reach. In smaller homes, multifunctional furniture can be a game changer. Consider beds with built-in drawers, foldable tables, or ottomans that double as storage. These smart choices allow you to maximize space without sacrificing comfort or style. Light and color also influence how organized a space feels. Bright, neutral tones and good lighting make rooms appear larger and cleaner, while dark, cluttered corners tend to create a sense of chaos. Try to keep surfaces clear and use decorative accents sparingly to maintain balance. Another important mindset shift is learning to let go. Over time, clutter builds up silently, and we often overlook how much space it consumes mentally and physically. Adopt a rule of periodically reviewing your possessions. If you haven't used something in a year, it might be time to donate or repurpose it. Giving unused items a new life through donation not only frees up space but also helps others in need, creating a sense of satisfaction and purpose. Digital organization is equally important in the modern home. Keep your documents, photos, and files neatly arranged on your devices, and regularly back them up to avoid chaos in your virtual space. A clean digital environment mirrors the peace of an organized physical home. When you finish organizing, you'll notice a deeper connection to your surroundings. Your home becomes a sanctuary, a place that supports your lifestyle rather than hinders it. Guests will feel more comfortable, and you'll take greater pride in your living environment. The process of organizing teaches discipline, mindfulness, and appreciation for the things you truly value. Remember, organization is not a one-time project but a continuous journey. As your life evolves, so will your needs and routines, so be open to adjusting your systems accordingly. The ultimate goal is to create harmony between functionality and beauty, ensuring that every corner of your home serves a purpose and brings you joy. With consistent effort, creative thinking, and patience, you can transform even the smallest house into a perfectly organized haven that reflects calm, order, and happiness. Your home should be a reflection of who you are, a peaceful, balanced, and inspired individual who values simplicity and purpose.
Thank you.